financial technology industry growth stock generator. All right, this is big. This is huge. This is huge. So financial technology industry growth stock generator. The financial technology fintech industry is the use of digital technologies to provide financial services and products. Fintech has changed how people manage their finances and send and receive money, replacing traditional methods. Online banking, mobile payment apps, digital banking, and neobanks, lending, credit platforms, investment and wealth management, blockchain, cryptocurrency, personal finance, and budgeting are all different segments, business models within the financial technology industry. A long form one that's been around for 30, 40 years is credit cards. That was a major financial tech instrument when it first came out back in the day. So when you think about what financial tech is, you can start with like credit cards to all the way up to online banking, mobile payment apps to where we're at now. Credit cards to Venmo. Essentially, there's a lot of things in between. Large growing industry. That's why we want to get into it. And that's why SoFi was such a big winner for us. And it's still a big winner for us. We got into that 2 years ago, but now I feel like the industry is now gaining even more steam with them getting better, Robinhood getting better. And there's a lot of companies out there that aren't known yet. According to Custom Market Insights, CMI, the fintech technologies market size was estimated at 215.3 billion in 2022, and is expected to hit 751 billion by 2032. Poised to grow at a compound annual growth rate, a CAGR of 18.5% from 2023 to 2032. So that's high growth. That's a lot of growth. And that's important because when you're looking for growth stocks to get in, you want to make sure there's enough opportunity and enough force and enough fire within that industry to raise stock prices, right? You can still make money in mature industries, but that's not necessarily growth stock potential. We're looking for those capital gains. And so for some gematria, we have some major gematria. For some gematria, we have financial technology companies building money distribution infrastructures equals 333 in English reduction. One more time. Financial technology companies building money distribution infrastructures equals 333 English reduction. Hey, how you doing, Frantisek? How you doing? Hello. Happy to have you on the stream. Happy to have you on the stream. We're just going through financial technology right now. If anybody wants to join the actual conference call, let me add this on for you right here. Here is, if anybody wants to actually join into the conference call, here is the link. You guys are more than welcome to hop in if you want to even talk with me. That's also an option. But moving forward with the gematria, the fintech companies will profit, and fintech without an H, but it's okay. You can maneuver it a little bit. It still says fintech. Fintech without an H, moving airy and fluid money. So these are the two phrases for the gematria. We have the fintech companies will profit. Fintech moving airy and fluid money. They both equal 333 English ordinal, 153 in reduction, and 153 in reverse reduction. If you've been following this channel, those numbers right there, 333 and 153 combined, very powerful. It goes back to triangulation. It goes back to the fish in Christianity. I have other previous videos on that in the past if you want to learn more about that type of numerology. But for people who've been around, we want to see that when it comes to analyzing stocks. ACH payment stock hidden value play equals 333 English ordinal. And so ACH payment, a lot of people know what it is. You know, it's like checking account payments and stuff like that, you know, through your banks and stuff. And there's a lot of companies that are speeding up that process, because if you do it ACH, sometimes it still does take 2 to 3 business days to get to you. And with some companies, and the company we're going to be talking about a little bit later, speeds up the process. And so when you're looking at companies like that, think of like PayPal and such. That PayPal is a big fintech when in the payment space, right? In the financial payment space. Payments becoming fluid like H2O, and ACH payments in the age of Aquarius, which we're in with Pluto, equals 133 in reduction. As you know, with the parent rule, we can just cast off that 1, and now we have 33. Big investment number. Then we have Pluto in Aquarius, which we understand, and Saturn in Pisces, which we also understand. Financial technology stocks in Texas after COVID era equals 333 in English reduction. Remember, Pluto in Aquarius, which it is in, Saturn in Pisces, financial technology stocks in Texas after COVID era equals 333 English reduction. And we're going to be getting into Texas soon and what they mean to the financial technology industry. As we see, look, we have the Aquarius sign right here. We have the Pisces sign right here. Aquarius is air, Pisces water. All right, which is interesting because Aquarius is the water bearer. You see, they have a water jug that they're pouring right there, and then the Pisces is actual water sign with the 2 twin fish. So very airy, very fluid, and this is the era we're in with money. And so this is why you want to be in stocks like this. All right, Saturn, and so this is the dates, right? Saturn will be in Pisces from March 7th, 2023 to May 24th, 2025. And then again from August 31st, 2025 to February 13th, 2026. So Saturn is not as slow as Pluto, of course, with the rotations. So it's a little bit faster, but we still have a lot of time to get our energy right and our money right with the specific stocks you want to be in. Like SoFi, we're making money off SoFi. I've been selling a smidge of shares here and there. We have earnings on Monday, but I have a big bag enough where going along long term in the future, I won't even have to touch the shares I'm going to hold forever at this point, because I've already made my money at the low price. And then we have Pluto in Aquarius from January 20th, 2024 to September 1st, 2024. Then it's going to be returned to Aquarius from November 19th, 2024 and remain in Aquarius into March 8th, 2043. That's the long one, right? Pluto, even if it's not a planet, it still rotates. It takes forever. It's over 243 years to rotate. So that's why they're in that element a lot longer. This is a concept we went over in length in the past. So make sure, if you have not learned about it, go to my previous videos when I talk about astrology within the stock market. I'll explain the basics still along the way as we build on top. But if you want the in-depth knowledge, please go look at my other stuff. There's a lot out there.